Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, how you doing?
Production.
In today's video, I'll be showing you what a Nigerian party aka Owambe makeup looks like. Owambe in Nigeria is a pretty serious deal, and when we get the opportunity to attend one, we go all out with our dressing and our makeup. So this is going to be a full-on glam video. So starting with her brows, here I used the Beautylinebydidi pencil to draw our brows. Because this is a full glam, we're going to darken it a bit, filling all the airs generously, not holding anything back. To define our brows, I used a Zikel Cosmetics concealer in the shade Nude and a flat brush.
Mismetics Production.
So I applied a generous amount of concealer all over her eye area just to prepare that area for the eye work.
Mismetics Production.
I used the Younger Beauty Assurance eyeshadow primer as a primer for eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend that out into the skin on her eye area. I'll be using the HushbeautyNg eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking the orange shade from there just to warm up our crease. From that same palette, I took the purple color there, and then I'm applying it on a lower crease. Using a flat brush and eyeshadow primer that was used earlier, I'm going to be cutting a crease because I'm trying to create a cut crease kind of look. I used this pink shimmery shade all over our eyelid area from the Juvia Place eyeshadow palette, the NUBIAN, and then I went ahead and applied pigments all over that. The pigments I used here are from a Nigerian brand called YglamCosmetics in Extra AF. Using my Mabrook liquid eyeliner, which is my go-to eyeliner because I love how matte and dry it is. I used that to line our eyes, and then I applied our lashes. Moving on to skin, I'm going to first of all moisturize our face, and then there I used the Mismetics moisture portion. After that, I used a translucent powder just to set the moisturizer, and then I used a setting spray all over that just to lock everything in. Then I went ahead and used my Rimmel London mattifier as a primer as well, just before applying a foundation. And the foundation I used here is the Maybelline foundation in the shade 350. After doing that, I went ahead and used the Zikel Cosmetics concealer to highlight our face. To set all the areas I highlighted with concealer, I used the Ladyveebeauty Cosmetics powder palette to do that, and then I went and took the Zikel Cosmetics powder palette, the dark shade in there, and I used it to contour. After that, I used the Maybelline pressed powder in the shade Toffee to blend what I just did all together. And then I went ahead to use a setting powder. Here I used the Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the face, to set the highlighted areas of the face. So I'm just smoking out the under part of our eyes. And then after doing that, I went ahead and applied blush from this blush palette is from Classic Makeup USA. I love the colors on this blush palette, and since we're going for the proper Owambe look, we're going to be making it more colorful and more loud. So using this Milani baked blusher in the shade, I can't remember the shade exactly, but that's what I used next before using my highlighter, and this highlighter palette is from Makeup Factory. After blending out the setting powder, I went to our lips, and then I'm using this random lip pencil, brown lip pencil. I don't think I remember the name, but then I used that, and then I went ahead and used a lipstick from LA Girl in the shade dark brown, and then I used it to trace out her lips. And then I'm going into this lip palette that I got from Talkglam. Talkglam is a makeup store. They have their handles on Instagram, and then I just took a pinkish shade from there just to fill in our lips.
Production.
So finally, I'm going to be setting all of our face, making sure everything is in sync, and I'll be using the Skinindiva makeup finishing setting spray. And this is the finished look, guys. This is how a Nigerian Owambe makeup looks like. It's all colorful, it's all glammed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.